Agaw pansin ang ganda ni Miss Supranational Germany, Anna Valencia Lacrini, habang ito ay naglalakad sa Brandenburg Gate, ang sikat na landmark na dinadayo ng mga turista dito sa Berlin, Germany. Bilang Miss Supranational Germany, si Lacrini na half Pinay at half German ay lalahok sa Miss Supranational pageant na gagawin sa Poland sa susunod na buwan. Tubong Stuttgart, si Lacrini ay anak ng isang Pinay mula sa Bataan at German naman ang kanyang tatay. Kwento niya, dahil sa lumaki siya sa dalawang kultura ng kanyang mga magulang, naging malaking parte ito sa kanyang pageant journey.
I think identity makes so much out of not only a pageant journey, but so much out of yourself. When I grew up, I felt so divided in between two cultures. And now I want to be that bridge that connects cultures all over the world, since I know how the struggle is.
Una siyang sumali sa Binibining Pilipinas noong 2022 pero di siya pinalad na makuha ang corona. Pero di siya pinanghinaan ng loob, bagkus ay nagbigay daan pa ang kanyang karanasan na kilalanin ang sarili at ipakita kung bakit niya deserve na manalo. At sa sumunod na taon ay sumali ulit siya at hinirang na Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2023. Siya ang naging kinatawan ng Pilipinas sa Miss Globe 2023 sa Albania at naiuwi niya ang second runner-up title.
One thing that I learned from Binibini was definitely to be myself. So one thing, when I remembered like joining the first 3 times, I didn't know what a pageant is. And I tried to be so hard to fit into this mold. I wasn't myself. So for me, joining the second time was, I really want to show them who I am. I don't want to pretend. And I think that's what Binibini really showed me and truly showed me. And even Miss Globe showed me to truly appreciate who I am.
Bukod sa pagiging beauty queen bilang Miss Supranational Germany 2025, may child nutrition advocacy din si Lacrini kasama ang Caritas Manila at Caritas Germany. Ayon sa kanya, masaya siya sa kanyang advocacy dahil daw sa paraan na ito ay naisakatuparan ang kanyang ideya na magsilbing connecting bridges sa dalawa niyang kultura.
Well, I actually always wanted to have the supranational crown. I don't know, there's something about this crown that I really like, and I like that they're super focused on advocacy, and they're also in Europe. And since I already fulfilled my dream of representing the Philippines, and I feel wholeheartedly for the first time in my life, I thought it's time to represent Germany, because I'm a full German woman as well, but I'm also Filipina. And now that I'm finally able to be my full self, to accept my parts, to accept the Filipina I am, and to accept the German woman that I am, I'm proud to represent Germany.
Sa ngayon, marami sa kanyang Pinoy fans ang humihikayat na subukang sumali sa Miss Universe Philippines. Pero para kay Lacrini, masayang-masaya na siya sa kanyang na-achieve sa Pilipinas at ngayon ay gusto naman niyang subukan na magbigay din ng karangalan sa Germany. Reporting for Pinoy Portal Europe, Orly de los Santos, Berlin, Germany.